16 buff in the dark.
I'm doing a cluster of 5 balloons like this. I'm using 4 11-inch and 1 16-inch balloons. I use pastel colors. This brand, Italarex. But this brand has only 11-inch balloons. So for 16-inch I have to double stuff my balloons, so I use just regular blue, pale blue in white. So it has little bit difference in color. Little bit lighter, but it's fine altogether. It's gonna look fine. So I'm doing a cluster of 5 balloons, and after I'm tightening it, I'm doing 5 cluster of 5 balloons.
It's 25.
Yes, and I'm tightened in a 5, like this. I have 5 colors, maybe 5 different garlands.
Wow. It's a nice
Are you
house.
filming me?
Yes, of course. Look at the house. A house in the house.
I think your steamer ready.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go back to the top of the house.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16
So what did you learn today, baby? What did you learn today?
I hate cactus.
No. You don't stay close to cactuses.
Don't put cactus close to me.
Oh my god. The enemy. Hmm? Stick is right here. I'm gonna find it. Oh, the treasure box. Yeah, where's the stick? Oh, here. No. Here.
Why you put it back?
Because you said
Another
5.
one.
Huh?
It's another one.
No, that's what I used.
You use white one.
No? I said transparent. A wife doesn't believe husband. Look at the face. Like,
Sure, I'm gonna find somewhere. We can start making one of each color.
what?
I can start making
Oh, the 24?
4, yeah.
Yes, 24, 24. Where do you want me to put the camera? On top of the... Here?
So I'm just tightening all my big clusters in a garland equal.
You got a microphone?
Let's see.
What do you want, one of each? Huh?
Yeah.
24.
energical. It was not my idea, so don't laugh. It's because it's a kitty. See, it's like
And this is
it's
for?
a kitty. No, it just it's not for. When it send you.
No.
So what we have in the end? Of course, it should be nice tablecloths or desserts and cake. So it will be done a little bit later. But I think it will be very beautiful with desserts and tablecloths. We have 420 for each balloons here.